Tired of that robotic voice in your Fliki AI videos? Let's find the perfect voice to connect with your audience. Open your Fliki project and find the voice drop-down menu, usually located next to the text you want to narrate. Click the drop-down to explore a wide range of voices. Pay attention to the names and descriptions to get a sense of their gender, accent, and tone. Use the filter options like gender and accent to quickly narrow down your choices and find the perfect fit for your project. Always preview the voice before committing. Click the preview button to hear a short sample and ensure it meets your expectations. For ultimate control, explore the advanced settings, fine-tune the voice's speed, pitch, and even correct pronunciations. Need to fix a tricky name or word? Use the pronunciation correction feature to specify how the word should sound. Once satisfied, generate your video to apply the changes. Listen to the final result and make further adjustments as needed. Experiment to find the perfect voice for your Fliki AI creations.